Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add new page on iPhone. How to add new page in iPhone. The first thing you do is press down a space like this, pull until you get to the end, and you can see over here we have a new page. Now if you just tap on done, which is up here, it will not stay. The best thing to do is tap on the plus icon at the top here, put at least one widget or something. Once you've put that, tap on add widget and now tap on done, and you have a new page now. And this for as many, you can add as many as you want. Press down on it, move to the side like this, to the right, that is swipe to the right. As you can see, I have a new one. Tap on the plus, pick a widget, and tap on the plus, pick a widget you want, let's say this. Tap on add widget and tap on done. And so now I have two new pages. It's as simple as that. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and follow for more.